Well, Ramadan Kareem, everyone, and on this auspicious anniversary of the birth of the divinely appointed Imam Hassan ibn Ali al-Mujtaba alayhi salam, I have a great tradition from him for you all, and it goes like this. The annihilation of the people lies in three things: arrogance, greed, and jealousy. And Imam Hassan ibn Ali al-Mujtaba alayhi salam continues and says, arrogance is the cause of the destruction and the annihilation of religion, and Satan was cursed due to it. And greed is the enemy of the soul, and Adam was expelled from the paradise due to it. And jealousy is the guide to wickedness, as it did when Cain killed Abel. So in this holy month of Ramadan, let's try to make sure to do these three things that Imam Hassan ibn Ali al-Mujtaba alayhi salam taught us. Number one, don't be arrogant. Number two, get rid of greed. Number three, don't be jealous. This was a 1 Minute Wisdom with you wherever you are.